Welcome back. Today we're excited to present a unique opportunity to own a piece of movie magic, a 1974 Plymouth Duster that starred in the B-movie Massacre at Femur Creek. This iconic vehicle boasts a reliable slant-six engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, making it a perfect blend of classic charm and dependable performance. Whether you're a collector or just love vintage cars, you'll appreciate the attention to detail in this Duster, including brand new tires that ensure a comfortable and safe ride. The refurbished heater box is a practical addition, providing cozy warmth during those colder drives. This Duster isn't just a car, it's a piece of cinematic history, having graced the screen in a cult classic. Imagine cruising in a car that's been part of the silver screen, turning heads with its retro style and storied past. Don't miss out on the chance to own this incredible blend of nostalgia and functionality. This Plymouth Duster is more than just a vehicle. It's a legend waiting to join your collection. So, if you're looking for a unique addition to your garage, a conversation starter, or simply a reliable classic car with a Hollywood twist, this 1974 Plymouth Duster is the perfect choice. Act fast, because a gem like this won't last long. Number 2, the 1975 Ford Pinto, a true survivor and a rare find in today's market. This iconic ride boasts a reliable four-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a smooth cruiser for both city and highway driving. With 125,141 miles on the odometer, this Pinto has seen some adventures, but is far from the end of its journey. The car sits on stylish 14-inch mags, wrapped in four very good tires, ensuring a confident grip on the road. What really sets this Pinto apart is its exceptionally healthy bodywork, preserved beautifully over the years. The car's paint, refreshed just 4 years ago, gleams with a classic charm that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, you'll find the original radio, accompanied by an AM/FM stereo radio, delivering a nostalgic audio experience that takes you back to the good old days. Whether you're looking for a ready-to-roll road companion or envisioning a project to turn this Pinto into a drag racing beast, this car is an ideal canvas. It's ready for the road, or with a few tweaks, could be prepped for some serious acceleration thrills. So, if you're a collector, a vintage car lover, or someone with a need for speed, this 1975 Ford Pinto is a must-see. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Number 3, another classic car showcase. Today, we have an exquisite 1974 Cadillac DeVille that embodies the elegance and style of a bygone era. This beauty boasts a rich and luxurious green cook interior that's in excellent condition, offering a plush and comfortable ride. The exterior, finished in a fair green paint, complements the car's striking presence on the road. With only 67,000 miles on the clock, this DeVille is a rare find with plenty of life left in its powerful big block GM500 engine. The black vinyl roof is in pristine condition, adding a touch of sophistication and contrast to the vehicle's overall appearance. For those who love a bit of flair, this Cadillac comes equipped with 22-inch mag wheels, but if you're a purist, you'll appreciate the original wheels, included with the sale. Inside, the car features fully functional electric windows and a bench seat, ensuring a classic yet convenient driving experience. Plated in Quebec, this vintage DeVille is not just a car, it's a statement piece, ready to turn heads and deliver a smooth ride. Whether you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast, this Cadillac DeVille is a testament to timeless design and automotive craftsmanship. Stay tuned as we dive into more details about this remarkable vehicle. Number 4, the 1975 Imperial LeBaron. This luxurious beauty boasts a powerful 440 cubic inch engine paired with a smooth automatic 3-speed transmission, with a well-maintained odometer reading of just 71,800 miles. As a highly optioned model, it comes loaded with every known feature from its era, including a plush all-leather interior that wraps you in comfort and style. The current owner, who has cherished this car for over 45 years, is only the second owner, having lovingly kept it away from harsh winter elements. Though it was repainted over 35 years ago after vandals left their mark, it remains a testament to its era, with some scratches still visible. This LeBaron is not a product of restoration, but a genuine survivor, preserving its original charm and character. Recent updates include new brakes, exhaust, and tires, ensuring it drives as smooth as it looks. While the air conditioning does blow air, it isn't cold due to a slow leak, a minor quirk for such a classic. As a bonus, the car comes with a few spare parts, adding to its appeal for any vintage car enthusiast. Join us as we explore this rare gem, a car that stands as a proud symbol of luxury and durability from the mid-70s. Number 5, ES Start. It was last driven in the summer of 2023, so it hasn't been sitting idle for long. However, there are a few areas that need attention to bring this car back to its former glory. The driver's window track and mirror need replacement, and the trunk springs could use some work. The convertible motor is functional, but there's a minor issue with a hose leak that occasionally crops up. Inside and out, this car needs some TLC, offering a perfect canvas for restoration enthusiasts. Despite these needed fixes, it's a solid candidate for anyone looking to invest in a classic car project. The seller is firm on the price, reflecting the value of the newly rebuilt engine and the car's overall potential. If you're interested and the ad is still up, it means the car is available, and the seller is also open to trading for a truck. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a newcomer to the world of classic cars, this vehicle promises to be an exciting project and a rewarding addition to your collection. Don't miss out on the chance to make it yours.